Hello, everybody. Here's your severe weather update for Sunday. We're updating here at 11:22 p.m. on your Saturday night. It's 44 degrees out currently, and let's get started right with your forecast outlook. Of course, it's looking pretty good for Sunday. Sunny skies. It will become cloudy though later on in the afternoon, and as we get into the overnight hours, we can have a 70 to 100% chance of showers and storms. Some of those could be severe overnight. That's what we're going to be watching. We'll have the timing and more information shortly. Monday looks like there'll be some clouds, high 67, no rain. Tuesday, we start to get some high pressure setting up in here, high 72, sunny skies, low 49. And Wednesday, sunny skies, high 68, low 40. Thursday, sunny skies, high 68, low 46. Looking like springtime out there. So it's looking really, really good. Now let's talk about the severe weather threat for Sunday. I actually need to take a look at the severe weather outlook. Of course, marginal threat of severe thunderstorms along and east of I-65 also expands to the west of I-65 around Decatur and slightly further west. Marginal threat runs anywhere from Decatur, Birmingham to Tuscaloosa. There is a slight risk that's in place mainly for Florence, like just right over the far northwest corner of Alabama there. So let's take a look at the high-resolution models, see what they're showing. It shows some stuff coming in late, and we'll take a look at the timing here in a minute. But this timing here, when it starts to move into northwest Alabama, that's around 6 o'clock, it looks like. And then it moves on through northeast Alabama later on after midnight, maybe around the 2 a.m. time frame. Some of those storms along that line that moves through could become severe. So we're starting the graphic over again, running on through just some scattered stuff, and along that main line there could be some damaging winds, maybe some hail. And we'll take a look at all that. Let's go ahead and take a look at that while we're at it. There is a threat of some hail, 5% risk. Looks like it kind of wants to stay along I-65, but it does extend east of I-65 just a bit. So there is a low probability, 5% risk, that there could be some hail, probably about the size of quarters, 1 inch in diameter possible. Unless you're in Florence, you got a little bit better threat of that, up to like 15%. Now, as far as the tornado outlook goes, there is a threat, a low threat of some tornadoes. 2% risk for all of North Alabama, excluding DeKalb County. Marshall County is pretty much under that 2%, most of Jackson County, but DeKalb County is right outside of that area. So we'll still keep an eye on things. I do expect these models to update again, so we will keep a close eye on it. I do expect a change with this, but we will watch it either way. Now, the damaging wind threat, 5% risk for all of northern Alabama, excluding the northwest corner there of the state around Florence, 15% risk. It's a little bit higher over there. Now, the forecast details, let's take a look at that by the National Weather Service Huntsville. There's a low chance of strong to severe thunderstorms Sunday evening and overnight. Cold front will drop southeastward through the region, bringing showers and thunderstorms beginning Sunday afternoon and continuing into early Monday morning. The greatest confidence is strong thunderstorms over far northwest Alabama, where the Storm Prediction Center has outlooked a slight risk, level 2 of 5. Main hazards would be damaging winds, low to medium confidence, hail, low confidence, a tornado or two, very low confidence. Non-thunderstorm winds will also gust up to 20 and 30 miles per hour. They're also forecasted late Sunday morning into the evening hours, bringing an increased risk of downed tree limbs and power outages. Wind advisory, just haven't seen a discussion on it yet, but it is definitely not out of the question. Now, timing. We'll take a look at the timing here. Calling for, looks like around, I'm going to go a little bit with this and say, I've got it 8 p.m. right here as the first batch starts to move in. So I'm going to say anywhere between 8 o'clock, maybe 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock is for northwest Alabama. Then we start to move east along I-65. And even there's a little batch ahead of this main line that'll impact us. Looks like along I-65 kind of extending over into our area, Jackson County, DeKalb. 12 a.m., but it's possible that it may be a little bit later before it actually gets, through here. Timing is still a little bit uncertain. It looks like somewhere between that timeline is when this will move on through. So thanks for watching, everybody. That's your forecast update, and hope you have a great rest of your night. We'll get a lot more accurate models in pretty soon, around the 2 a.m. But also shout out to our sponsors there, Mr. Dylan Snyder at Alabama Living Real Estate. For all your real estate needs, you can give him a call at 256-979-4330, and also go check him out on Facebook as well. Also, we have RKG Automotive Group. For more information, you can give them a call at 256-572-6586. maybe there's a vehicle or something you want to look at and check out, you can check them out on Facebook, and you can do that as well. So thanks, everybody. God bless. Have a great rest of your night, and we'll see you on the next update. Take care, everybody.